ripe bananas at home, don't throw them away. Use this recipe to make yummy banana cake. It's a very simple recipe and your ripe bananas won't go to waste. My name is Tasha and welcome to Tasha's World. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like this video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below. I'm sure you will love this recipe. So come on, let's get started.
For the banana cake, we need 3/4 cup of sugar, 1 cup of walnuts, 1.5 cup of whole wheat flour or गेहूं का आटा, 1/4 cup of chocolate chips, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon of vanilla extract, half teaspoon of salt, half cup of raisins, 2 pieces of eggs, half cup of melted butter or oil, and 3 very ripe bananas. Lightly roast walnuts in a pan on medium heat. Stir continuously so they won't burn, and let them cool to room temperature. Coarsely chop the walnuts. Take the whole wheat flour, add salt, baking soda, whisk them together and keep it aside. In a separate bowl, add sugar, melted butter, and blend them together with electric mixer. If you don't have electric mixer, you can always use a whisk. Mash the bananas with a fork. Crack 2 eggs. And beat them. Now we are going to combine all the ingredients together. Add the whole wheat flour mix to the sugar and butter mix. Then add the banana and egg mix. Blend all of them together in medium-high speed. Add the raisins, walnuts, vanilla, chocolate chips, and fold it gently. Spray the cake pan with oil or sprinkle all-purpose flour so that the cake doesn't stick to the bottom. Pour into the cake pan. Bake at 350 degrees for 45 to 55 minutes. Now our banana cake is ready. It looks so delicious. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video with a new recipe. Bye.